Korbar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ke sangma. Hagas ngi balang ulale Ïakynduh yu Secretary Tnat Korbari ke Sarkar India hanong ba New Delhi. Banyak ren batu Halor ka jing terwa nakaliang ka sengking atiar ke Hnlc banyak ren yasung. Ke Hnlc kaladap ha da ka shiti cha ka Sarkar ban pen pau ya ke jingkwa banyak ren yasung kat kumki kendon kariti sensyar kari India. Ka Sarkar jela kalas dang banjit ikibriu ki balak ban longkum ki ksiang hapdeng ka Sarkar bat ka Hnlc.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA, and it was regarding the communication that we have received from Hnlc, where they have expressed the desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state, and they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments, and detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.